Alright guys, welcome to another Instant Pot recipe. So what I have here is Swiss chard. We got a pack of drumsticks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this up first. So it's going to be a little bit longer process. I'm going to cook this up first and then peel off the meat once it's all done. Then we're going to throw in the corn, the chickpeas, and the beans. And then the Swiss chard will go in there at the end. So you're already going to have your bone broth because you're going to cook this up first. All you're going to do is you rip off the meat, so you got yourself a nice stew, okay? So stay tuned guys, I'll show you a step-by-step approach, and I'll be right back. So the chicken is all seasoned, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is going to fill it up with water. Not too much, you just want enough to cook this down. And then you're going to hit the poultry button, and then that's going to cook up your broth. So you might think, why season it now? You can season it later. You season it now because you're going to get all the flavors melded together. So once it's done cooking, you're going to peel off the meat. So you're going to have to wait until it cools down before you can do that. And then you're going to put all those things that I mentioned earlier, like the Swiss chard, the chickpeas, all those things. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, the chicken's all done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the meat from the bones now. So just give me a minute. Alright, so I got it all set up here. So as you can see, all the bones are gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the beans, the corn, all that stuff. And then I'm going to put in the Swiss chard. And then I'm going to hit the button on the rice button there. And then let it cook up and then do a quick taste test for you guys. So stay tuned. Guys, so it's all ready. So I put the Swiss chard, the chickpeas, the kidney beans, the corn is all in there. Now the Swiss chard is all chopped up, seasoned with some garlic salt, celery salt, white pepper, and some herbs that I put in. So oregano is also in there as well. So yeah, so I'm going to cook it up and I'll be back and do a quick taste test for you guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here it is. It's all done up. And I'm going to do a quick taste test for you right now. There it is. Check that out. That's all the Swiss chard. So we'll do a quick taste test right now. So that is an awesome broth. So it's got the flavor of the chicken, and you got the flavor of all the herbs and everything else that goes in. And the Swiss chard does not make it, doesn't give it, it's a pretty neutral taste. So you're not going to get like, spinach flavor or anything like that. So it goes well. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. It makes it like nice chicken soup.